Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to start building the Tamiya Lunch Box Mini, and we'll just jump right into it. I'm going to start right here on step 1. Okay, there we go. They do appear to be identical. Nope, it's not. This one has kind of a lip there. I don't know if you can see that or not. And this side is a pass-through. So I'm sure one end is for this is going to be for the motor. So this is going to be one side, and it looks like this is going to be the top, because I see those two tabs here. And this is going to be the pass-through side. So let's go ahead and orient that, and let's grab these gears. They should be in this bag right here. So here we are. All right, so we got these, and for this part we're going to need, and again, this is the pass-through side, and I'm going to put one in there like that. Like that. When you're done. And since we're going to close it now, I'm going to put some grease on all the gears as well. Okay. And it looks like we're ready to close this. And there we go. Just make sure it's completely sealed everywhere. And we're going to need screws BA2. Screws here, BA2. Yep, that looks like it's it. And then what's next? We're going to insert these bigger gears, which are going to be these ones. And we need the plastic bushings. And again, we're going to need to grease everything. So let me see what's the best way to do this. And now I'm going to hold it upright, and this one is going to be outside of the gearbox for now, so I can put grease on it later. And we're just going to wiggle it until it goes in. So when it goes into the proper place, you'll feel it, and then it'll be almost flush against the gearbox there. Let's do that again. There we go. So we're done with this part right here. Now let's go ahead and put on the cover. And this should be the cover right here. believe it's going to go something like this. Before I do that, I'm going to put the grease onto these two gears. If you watch a lot of my videos, you'll notice that I always forget to put grease. And I'm sure I'll do it again over the course of this build series. But for now, I remember, so let's go ahead and do it. Should close like this. Tamiya fitment is excellent. You never have to force anything. So there you go. That's what it looks like. And then we're going to seal it up with 2 of those same screws. All right. And since we want to be fancy, I'm going to grab that decal. And these are pre-cut, and I think it's going to be this thinner one, D. Oh no, D. It's going to be this one. Alright, so that's pretty neat. Okay. Let's go ahead and work on the motor. This tiny little thing. Alright, and let's see, where are we? We need this piece A3. Okay, and the motor mount is going to be those 2 holes, I believe. And on this is going to be that hole and this hole. And this screw is going to be the BA1. It's going to be the finer thread screw if they're here. I think that's one of them. All right. Okay, there we go. It should look like that. And now let's go ahead and put on the pinion gear. This is the pinion. That looks like the pinion gear. And this is just a slip-on. There's no set screw or anything like that. We're just going to push this all the way through. Kind of silly, but I got it in there. I think that's far enough because it is flush on top there. So surprised I was able to do that. So you can see this part is wider than this part, and you can see the same in there. So this should be the orientation like this. And again, Tamiya fitment is excellent. So if it's the right way, it should go all the way in like that without forcing it. And this is BA16. So this is going to be a slightly different screw. So let's be careful with that. It is going to be a light screw. So it should be this. All right. So that's that. Pretty cool. Okay, and we're done with this part of the Tamiya Lunch Box mini build. And in the next video, we're going to start on step 4, and we'll see what happens next. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.